Hey guys, I'm Gary. Today I got you the Asus Zenfone 5. Okay, let's not waste our time. Let's get right into it. The Asus Zenfone 5 is the mid-range smartphone from Asus. Okay, let's have a quick tour around the box. In front of the box there's a Zenfone 5 writings and a picture of the phones. At the side of the box there's some legal informations and Intel stickers. At the back of the box there's some IMEI and some information about the device. At the side of the box there's some key features of the phones. Okay, let's crack it open. Here my unboxing knife. A 5-inch display with a resolution of 720p. It's powered by Intel Atom Z560 clock at 1.6 GHz. It has a 8 megapixels true view camera and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. Okay, this is the device itself. Okay, let's take it out. There's some warning to not use a scissor to cut your SIM. Okay, the device feels really premium. It has a metal chin and a plastic that don't attract fingerprints. Okay, let's put this aside and let's see what inside the box. Inside the box there's some guarantee card and product informations. There's Asus branded wall adapter and a USB charging cables. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, alright guys, here we have the Asus Zenfone 5. Okay, now let's talk about the hardware. At the top, there's an earpiece, 2 megapixel camera and an Asus branding. At the bottom, there's a metal chin and 3 capacitive button. At the right hand side, there's a power button and a volume button. And in the downside, there's a primary microphone and a micro USB output. At the top of the handset there's a 3.5mm headphone jack and a secondary microphone. At the back of the device there's an 8 megapixel pixel master camera with a LED flash and an Asus logo with an Intel logo and a speaker. Okay, now let's boot it up. Okay, while booting it up, let's talk about the specs. It has a 5-inch 720p display with a 294 pixel per inch. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it's powered by Intel Atom Z560 clock at 1.6 GHz. It is powered by a PowerVR S6X544 MP2 GPU. This device came in two variations, the 16GB and 8GB versions. It weighed around 145 grams. The Asus Zenfone 5 running on Android KitKat 4.4.2. The Asus Zenfone 5 has a Zen UI. It is far from the stock Android, but it is really snappy. There's no lag between opening apps such email and others, and camera too, there's no lag between it. Okay, let's test the camera. The camera is really good. It has a vivid color and a nice snappy shot. One thing I forgot to tell you that the back is removable to show up the dual SIM. And one thing, the speaker grill is only on the left side. The there's only single speaker. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and please be the cool guy who hit the thumbs up button. Okay, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.